I want you to look at 2024. And 2024 at number 9 has personalized learning. You'll hear that term a lot when people talk about AI in education. And personalized learning drops so far that it's no longer on the list in 2025. But right above personalized learning is the word enhanced. And enhanced goes up to number 4, if I'm right. And that's the way I frame AI in education. Not as this way that every kid's gonna get a personalized learning stream and they're gonna go sit on a computer for 2 hours and then they're gonna do something else. They are really, what we want to use this for is for enhanced learning, little enhancements that help a dyslexic child, that help a kid who might be struggling with reading fluency. And we're not talking about, and as you hear me talk today, I'm not talking about a kid being on the screen doing AI all the time. I don't believe in that. I think this is a yes and situation. This is for when it's appropriate. And in some instances, it won't be. This is for maybe once a week in some classes. This isn't about more screen time. This is about meaningful screen time. And a lot of people, because they don't understand how we can learn with technology, have put technology in phones, as an example, as the bad guy in classrooms. And while they can also, in some instances, be good. And we're gonna look at some of those good things, and what you'll see tonight is not for like every moment in a classroom. We don't want to replace teachers. We want to enhance the learning that happens.